They try put an X on me. They bring out the best on me. Now I'm gonna flex on you.
It's still B on the beat.
Champagne popping and the diamonds bright. Wine, baby girl, just wine. See this can kill everything inside. It's cool, baby girl, take time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's show, what we're going to be doing is my curly to straight hair routine. So I'm just basically going to show you the process and what I do. So first we're starting with Care leave-in conditioner. So I basically just put this all over my hair, starting from the roots and then working my way to the bottom. And then I'll be using BioSilk Silk Therapy. It's just like a conditioner type, so I just spray this all over my hair, gives it like a nice shine, and then I'll detangle with my detangle brush, and we start from the bottom and then work our way to the top, so it's easier to comb out everything. So after you're done detangling, I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections. That way it's easier to blow dry. So that's what I'm just going to do now. So we're just going to start blow drying the hair, and then I'm just doing it from the bottom to the top. That way it detangles as I blow dry. I usually have it on the hottest setting. That way it just gets extra straight, and I'm just going to keep on doing this. So I'm almost done. I'm just gonna finish off the last section, and then usually when I'm done this section I just go over everything to make sure I get the roots. Because I have a lot of hair, I basically do the 4 sections and then I just go over the roots again because it's just way too much going on. Can't breathe and the heat just gets to me, you know, so I just keep blow drying the hair as much as I can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're almost done. I'm just finishing off everything. It usually takes me like about an hour to blow dry, but now we're finally done. Now we can move on to curling the hair. Next, I'm gonna take Care curling wax. This stuff makes your hair a little bit greasy, but I like my hair silky straight, so I'm just gonna use this. And then I don't really know what straightener I use, but I'll put it down below. And next, you're gonna just section your hair, making sure the sections are pretty small so you get everything straight. And now I just go over each section, straightening one piece at a time. just take a little bit of the oil, comb it through, and then I just run my straightener past. I run it past like 2 times depending on how straight it goes, but you don't want to like do it too many times because then your hair will basically be damaged, but it's okay because you're gonna have silky hair, so it's fine. You want to continue doing that, just going section by section and then doing each piece, basically doing the top again, making sure I get those roots silky straight. So we're almost done. I'm just finishing off the last section, just combing it out. We're almost done, and bam, there is my hair, my curly hair to straight hair routine. If you like this video, leave a comment, like, and subscribe.